Hey foodies, welcome to CookingShooking. Today we are making sandwiches in 3 flavors. All these recipes are made without any heat and gets ready in about 5 minutes each. You will totally enjoy it guys, so let's get cooking. For my sisters and my favorite sandwich, we will take tomato and slice it. The thinner the slices, the better the taste will be. Something like this. The tomato is ready, now we will slice cucumber with the skin on, that gives more taste. We are done, both the ingredients are ready. Now take bread slices and then we will apply butter on it, a very thin layer, on one side only. Butter makes the bread water resistant guys, and the sandwich will feel very juicy when we eat it. So the butter is done. Here I have applied it on 2 slices, one side only. Next we will take tomato ketchup and apply the tomato ketchup over the butter. This way the tomato ketchup will not be absorbed by the bread and the sandwich will feel very juicy. We will get a lip smacking taste. We are done, let's begin layering now. Here I have the tomato, we are going to place it here, about 5 of them. Next a good layer of salt and pepper powder. If you have freshly crushed peppercorns, the taste will go to next level. Talking about next level, we have to place the cucumber slices and repeat the same seasoning. Here is salt and pepper powder. Looks good, we are done guys. Now we just have to take the second slice of bread and press it together. Our sandwich is ready. You can cut it into 2 and enjoy. This is sweet, peppery, tangy and fresh. I've been eating this since I was like 3 or 4 years old. This is my sister's favorite evening snack recipe. Gets ready in hardly 5 minutes. So the first one is done. The second recipe is crackly chocolate sandwich. For that, here I have a mixing bowl. In this I am taking 1 bowl of Murmura. You heard it right. This is good for 2 sandwiches. To make it tastier, here I am using almonds. You can also use hazelnuts or cashew nuts if you want to. Next we will take chocolate spread. Here I have Nutella. You can also use the Hershey's chocolate spread. We'll add just enough to coat it really well. About a tablespoon or 2 to begin with, and we will start stirring it together. The Nutella needs to be just enough to make a good coating with the Murmura or the rice puffs. I am adding just a little more. And now this looks good. The stuffing is ready. Let's take bread slices and we will spread the stuffing. This step is a little tasking because spreading this mixture is a little difficult, but once you have spread it really well, we are done. The next step is to take a banana and slice it on top. Even layer of banana slices, and this is good. Next, on the top slice of bread you can apply some extra chocolate spread if you want to, but this as it is also tastes amazing. Now I am sticking it together. We are good guys, our sandwich is ready. Let's slice it into 2. If you are a fan of the Dairy Milk Crackle chocolate, this one would be your new favorite recipe guys. Try it out. Our crunchy chocolate sandwich is ready. The third recipe is coleslaw style sandwich. For that, in a bowl I am adding half a carrot which is cut, 1/4 of a cabbage which is cut again, double than the carrot it is guys, 1 small onion, a little bit of coriander leaves. These are the 4 main ingredients. Next I am taking 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce. This is the magical ingredient in this recipe which makes it super tasty. About 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper powder. Finally, here I am taking honey, about 1 teaspoon. You can also add some capsicum if you want to. To bring it together, here I am using some mayonnaise and we will give it a mix. See, a little bit of mustard has gone a long way. The color of this stuffing looks amazing, isn't it? I'm just adding a little more of the mayonnaise now. Our stuffing is ready. Let's layer it up. Here I have the bread slices. We will spread a good layer of the stuffing. No need to apply any butter. This already is very creamy and tasty. And we will cover it with the second slice of bread. We are done, slice it into 2 and enjoy. The mustard sauce in this method totally changes the flavor. Try it out guys, you will definitely make it again and again. So how was the video? Which one's your favorite sandwich recipe? Do comment down below. If you ask me, I'm a chocolate fanatic, you guys know it best, but my favorite is the first one, tomato and cucumber, comes out really fresh, and the second favorite is the veg coleslaw style sandwich, and the third favorite is the chocolate one. It's not that the chocolate one is not good, other two recipes comes out really tasty. Try it out, share feedback. That's all for today. I hope to see you soon with one more video. Bye guys.